Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with an 8 by 10 inch canvas and a desire to play with snow scenes and maybe even manage to put some trees in there. I'm not sure how this is going to go. That was some Artist Loft. Excuse me. This is some Anita's White Metallic. I don't mind mixing my whites up. The Anita's is off-white for sure. Since I'm going for snow on the bottom and sky on the top, I think the white is fine. I should probably find my tweezers. Actually, I know where they are. I'm just being lazy. And I might want a little bit more paint. Just so I can get right up over the edge. And obviously something has little bits of things in it. And that canvas is looking a little slack. But I'm going to use it anyway because they usually tighten up with paint. I think I have all of my canvas covered to the edge. And I'm not sure how I'm going to proceed, but I am going to give myself some pale pink and a little hot pink, which is the pink diamond from Color Art. And I think that's Anita's White Metallic with some Prussian, with some Venetian blue in it. I so wanted to just give myself permission to put some trees in using some of my Payne's Gray that I'm just learning how to use now. Just spatula swiping everything into place, thinking about using some of my cell activator on the bottom. And right now, playing with some of that Payne's Gray. Because I can. That's the name of my first book next to my second book on the Amazon link. And I suspected this would look a lot like snow and mountains in the distance. Push that right over the edge. And it kind of does, except for I'm not sure where those little spatters came from, which means I'm going to have to do something about that. Oh, they look like smokestacks in the distance. Oh well, you know what? Payne's Gray is not a bad sky either. So, let me just take whatever's left on my spatula. Should be able to cover this not without much issue. Now, I see that I need a skewer, and I'm surprised at myself for not grabbing it. But there are my mountains in the distance, and I might want another one. With some snow on it. So I don't mind using the side of my skewer to add some dimension to the land. Sometimes I like doing what I don't expect just to surprise myself. Like picking up a little paint and just sliding it across. I might put some brighter color in that sky. I'm thinking about using a little tiny dish so I can dip in, and usually I would really think my trees would be done a different way, but I really want to try this. Just put a few dots in. Let's see what happens. Just shuffling the... Wow, I'm losing my voice. No kidding. Excuse me. Just moving the skewer back and forth, allowing some of the white background paint to mix. And then just keep pulling and pushing up. So it looks like trees. And I could call that done. I kind of want to zoom in actually, so you could see those. The canvas seems to have a little bit of its own texture. And I will have to cover my top, bottom, and edges. And that is as far as I can zoom in, so wow. I'll zoom out a little and try and stay in the same place to work without getting my head in the way. That'd be a tall order. I'm going to put some more trees in there. This is super simple. I sometimes just like winter scenes with pale pink and pale blue. And in this case, some Payne's Gray. And I can't remember exactly which brand it is, but I'm pretty sure they're all going to be very deep. They're beyond navy, which is what I'm trying to say. I really want to take one of my little tools and go in there and play, but honestly, I could really just do another. I'm going to put some more trees right over here. I used to hang out with a friend of mine in Maine on Stafford Lake, I believe it was. And a lot of times the scenery gets to be looking pretty austere, but it's also beautiful. So you might not even have to drag sideways, because those trees look pretty cool just as they are. Or you could pull out just one side and it would make it look like it was highlighted, especially when you're using the white from the background. And you don't need trunks, because they're obviously sitting in snow and they would be buried. So that's cute and fast. And if I get to it fast enough, I'll be able to blend in the paint on my spatula and on the top and the bottom. I need to tell you guys I love you. I need to clear my throat. I'm so sorry. And I need to tell you that I have over 2,200 videos. And if you're interested in finding any of them, please go to my YouTube channel and look for playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. So that was really fast, and that might become a Christmas card pretty quick. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I'm trying to get that completely in the frame. Look under the link. Look under the video for my link tree where you can find my Amazon link. My 2 books are on the Amazon link and 4 lists of art supplies. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. My email address is under the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link. Jeez, I can't. Excuse me, please. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video, including my cell activator recipe, which I did not use here. Please, can I have a thumbs up? Thank you for sharing my videos and watching them longer. It really helps my standing on YouTube, and I could use all the help I can get. Thank you very much for all the wonderful comments you leave me, and thank you for the donations. Those of you who would like to get into the monthly drawing, you can see the prizes offered at the beginning of the exhibition video. I include on the end screen of this video. And you can use the PayPal icon or the link on the link tree for PayPal to make a donation, and that will automatically get you an invitation to enter the drawing. If you have questions, please ask me. My community board should show you tomorrow's video. What am I missing? Oh, on the link tree, yeah, check out my Society 6 and my Legalist clothing from Montreal, which is investment quality, but Society 6 is awesome. Enough tongue tripping. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my artwork. If you're interested in purchasing an artwork and you want some information, please use my email address. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. It is directly under the link tree. If you look for it, you'll find it. My videos are on playlists, as I mentioned, but they are organized by topic and genre and by the 100. And if you can't find something you're looking for, please don't Don't feel shy. Just ask me. I have everything organized. And if you have questions, please ask me. I'm happy to help you. If I can't help you, I'll let you know. Otherwise, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Bye for now. Priscilla out.